Ooh, what's it going? Oh man, that's a big old fish. Yes! Giant! What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning into this video. Just want to talk a little bit about this nice fish I caught. It had been since the summer of 2022 since I've caught a fish over 4 pounds as far as largemouth goes. So it felt good to get a nice big one, and just been on some really good crappie lately too. Just been sticking to those guys. And you'll notice in the video, like the camera angles are a little bit pointed up just because I've been on some really good crappie spots, and just wanted to try not to post them just quite yet, but you'll see some more videos of those guys coming up here. But there's just tons of them in the lower lake there. So, but this is a fun little outing here you're gonna see. Again, got on the crappie right away, and then finally got my first couple bass of 2024, including that 7.5 pounder that you guys see in the thumbnail there. But enjoy the video, and I want to show you a couple baits really quick before I go. My buddy JC at There You Go Fishing just made this brand new glide. Go to his page on Instagram or the website thereyougofishing.com. Great price on these glides, so definitely check that out. And then don't forget to check out Bottom Dollar Baits too. The paddle tails he makes anywhere from 4, 6, 7, 9 inch. You can rig them multiple ways and they get bit at Castaic and Pyramid. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the video. We are out here at Castaic Lagoon again. It's a chilly morning. Got all that rain. It's supposed to warm up here this week, but cold morning. So we're gonna look for some crappie bass. I gotta get that first bass of the year still. It's still January, so I got time, but yeah, I just been on those crappie. It's been good. But yeah, guys, see a buddy out there, Los Angeles BFS. If you watch that channel, gotta go check it out, put the link. But let's hit it. I'll see you guys on the water. Thanks, man. You guys know Jonathan from Los Angeles BFS?
What's up, guys?
Yeah, we're out here, so I'm gonna try to find some bass and crappie, but I saw your check out there. I was like, had to come say what's up. So make sure you check out his channel too. I'll put the link in the things. You can check it out. It's good stuff. Got a little lipless today, the Ima. Came in the mystery tackle box. Kind of cool. Looks a little, obviously looks like a shad. Kind of fat guy though. All right, we got some down there. We got the little silver buddy. First time in a while. Oh, crappie action. Nice little slab. Start the morning. All right, a little crappie to start the morning. Here in open water. Probably see if I can catch a few more of these guys, and I'll probably move on to some bass. Let's keep at it. Gotta bring this down as well. Nice little head shake. Big dog. Nice guy. Little shad in there. Yeah. Well, shad. All right, crappie number 2. A little bit bigger one. So fun. All right, little finesse. BFS. A-rig. Little swim bait. Little swim bait. Yeah. Let's go. Mate. Yeah. Nice one on this one bait. Yeah. Nice slab. That's fun right there. So yeah, may hang out a little bit longer on this school and then go bass fish, but it's so fun catching these crappie. Love it. Crappie or bass? Hey, got a bass. We got our first bass. Can we get him? In the boat. Oh, I think we can. Yeah, there it is. First bass of the year. Chasing the old swim bait. Oh, healthy 1-pounder. All right, first bass of the year. Let's go. Kite tech catches them all. Bass, crappie. Nice little healthy guy. Let's go. This dude go. Yeah. All right, we got bass number 1 for the year. 3 crappie and a bass. Take it, eating the same thing, anything that looks like shad. But I didn't feel that bite. He just grabbed it and then bam, I had the fish on. But I felt good to get bass number 1 for the year. And all right, got some fish swimming around here, so I'm gonna keep at them. Oh, a little crappie. Nice and slow. Nice one. Yeah. Yeah. Right when I'm going for bass again, this crappie come up in a whole different spot, and I wasn't sure if they were crappie or bass, but I dropped down on them and got one. Yeah, it's just so fun this time of year, this winter crappie. But all right, keep trying to find fish. Here's the bass. There's a good bass. Oh, please don't come off. Ooh, look at him. Oh man, that's a big old fish. Yes! Giant! Oh. Oh my god, it's a huge fish. Oh. Ooh, that's the biggest fish I've caught in a while. Woo. Freaking biggin'. Oh man. Oh, fish, guys. Whew. Guys, it's a big bass. Big. Ooh. 7.5. Almost had my PP. Nice, 7. Try it one more time. Seven and a half. 0.1 away from my PB. Oh, big old bass, guys. Big old bass. Woo. Let's get her some water here. Ooh, that's a nice one, guys. That is a nice one. I'll get her some water here. Whew, I'm shaking, guys. Oof, almost a new PB. Close, just 0.1 off my PB. It's on that little spoon. These guys are just around these little sunfish and crappie. And I just got him. Ooh, man, that was a heavy fish. I wasn't sure if it was a catfish at first, but he kept coming up and then down. I actually kept him down. Got up under the boat though, right at the end, but I was able to pull him just out from the trolling motor, and a 7.5 pounder winter bass. Can't beat that. So much fun. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna keep trying to drop down some of these other guys out here, see if we catch another big one. Got my buddy's new glide, There You Go Fishing. Make sure you go to thereyougofishing.com. Get some of these great price. What, 40 bucks? So cool. Ooh, yeah. 23 3/4. Nice one. What a nice fish. Well, what a little morning. Late morning, just a couple hours in the water. Found crappie, obviously, right away. And got my first bass of the year, which was fun. And then again, just finding fish kind of scattered. And I was hopping it on the bottom, that little spoon. Got that big one. Almost had my PB, 7.5 pounder, biggest fish in like a year and a half. That felt good. So that was a fun little trip to the Goon. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.